Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a folder in a GitHub repository. First, log into your GitHub account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the repository where you want to create a folder. On the repository page, look for the Add File button and click on it. From the drop-down menu, choose the option Create New File. Now, in the file name input field, type the name of the folder you want to create, followed by a /. For example, if you want to create a folder called My Folder, type My Folder /. After the /, enter a temporary file name like temp.txt. Now, you can upload your actual files into this folder by clicking Add File and selecting Upload Files. After uploading the necessary files, you can delete the temporary file by clicking on it, selecting the trash icon, and committing the change. That's it. You've successfully created a folder in your GitHub repository. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.